Seeing the huge zero at the top of your PayPal account might be a little depressing. Nothing seems to work no matter how hard you try. However, what you're going to see may easily make you between $400 and $600 every day in PayPal cash. What I hope to do is just that with these quick videos. First and foremost, a word of caution. These videos are not suitable for all audiences. You will not make money if you do not have any of the following. To get started, you'll need a device that can connect to the internet, such as a smartphone, tablet, iPad, computer, laptop, or any combination of these devices. Second, you'll need at least 5 to 10 minutes every day to complete these activities. In the end, you must be able to follow step by step instructions that are both clear and simple. That will be demonstrated in this video. Let me just tell you that this method today does not require a specific set of skills or experiences. All you need is your laptop or phone, and you are good to go. This is also available to be done by everyone around the world. There are no restrictions on which specific countries can do this. And most of all, this method is completely free. You do not need any initial payments or monthly subscriptions to start off. Imagine earning money for free. However, you still have to devote some of your time and effort to do this method and earn money. Yes, it is free, but effort is required. Oh, let me just tell you that you won't be a millionaire overnight just by doing this method. It will not replace your day job, and you need to put in continuous effort in order for this method to work. This method can help you earn extra from what you are earning right now. It will not make you a millionaire, but it can help you with your day-to-day expenses. Now that's all out of the way, all you have to do now is sit back, relax, and grab a beverage and pay close attention to this video. Because if you miss even one part of this video, then you will not be able to successfully make money when it is your time to do it. So watch carefully. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. A personal PayPal account is the first and most important thing that you'll need. Make sure it's working, of course. When you've earned money online, you'll be able to claim it using PayPal. If you don't already have a PayPal account, I'll show you how to set one up. The first is to go to paypal.com and click on the sign up button to get started. Also, keep in mind that the entire procedure is completely free. When you click the sign up button, the next thing that you're going to do is enter your information. Filling out these essential information, most of which is personal, allows them to get to know you better. Once you've completed these simple steps, you'll be able to access your PayPal account and begin collecting money. Betatesting.com is a website we'd like you to check out. When you arrive at the homepage of this website, click on the link up here on the top that says Join as a beta tester, and you will be sent to this page. As you can see here, you can join the beta tester community, and this website allows you to test a range of exciting new items, and you can get compensated for providing feedback on new programs, websites, and other products. So don't be worried, this is a lot less difficult than what you're currently doing. And I'll demonstrate with an example in this video. Being a beta tester is as simple as these 3 steps. First, you can test new upcoming apps, websites, and hardwares available on this website. Second, once you received a project, you will be assigned a bunch of specific tasks that you need to complete in order to get paid. It can be using a specific feature on an app, signing up on a website, and so much more. Finally, once you complete those tasks, you will be paid around $10 to $20 depending on the tests. More intricate tests reward you with more money. I'm going to walk you through the process of creating a free account. You only need to input your email address and click the sign up button, which will take you to this page. In order to build your profile and begin earning money as a beta tester, you must first answer a few questions. This is a quick step towards becoming a better tester. You must pay close attention and continue to watch because I will demonstrate how to answer all of these questions in detail. And you will be able to complete the process of creating your profile and account in less than 5 minutes. First thing that you need to do is enter your password and your first and last name. And then in this part of the form, you are tasked to specify devices that you use right now. I understand that some of you may be using an Android phone or an iPhone as well as a PC or a laptop. As a result, depending on the device you use, you may receive various jobs and receive varying payments. It's also possible that the job that you get will be very different from what you expect. Basically, they're going to ask you the kind of TV that you're currently using, and you can just enter the TV model that you have in your home. Next thing is to choose what devices you are currently using. If you have either an Android tablet or phone, you can choose both of them. If you have an iPhone or iPad, you can select both of them. If you're using a Mac, Windows, or Linux computer, you can choose either one of them. If you use all of these devices, then you can just choose all of them, which gives you more opportunities for you to do more tests. Proceeding to the next question, which is based on your age, simply click on this down arrow and then choose your age and gender from the drop-down menu. For your country, simply choose the country that you are from. Next, you just need to select the time zone of your country, the zip code, educational attainment, and household income. The next thing that you need to answer is your technical experience. I recommend choosing average or expert since this will give you a higher chance of getting picked for more tests. So for the next question, they will ask you which social networks you use. Just pick the social networks that you're currently using. For me, it's Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter. The next thing is employment status. You can just pick full-time or part-time based on your personal situation. Then for the interest, we recommend choosing technology, business, and health, and fitness. And for the rest, you can choose based on what you like. After that, just click on the Submit Registration button and you are now a beta tester. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. We will go to the next step, which will provide you with a list of applications that you can use to begin earning income on betatesting.com. Keep in mind that the availability of tests is highly determined by the country from which you originate. Additionally, depending on the devices you're using, you may be able to test a range of applications. For example, we can choose one app from the Google Play Store, for example, this one. You can then download it and play it. After doing that, you can provide feedback on your experience with the app, and you can earn from around $10 to $20 for each app that you test. So for the time being, I'm going to show you a small example so that you can see the entire image and have a clear concept of how it works. For example, we have acquired a project to test on a website called eBay. You will be given a document where there will be steps that you will need to complete in order to successfully test the website. Now, all you have to do is follow these steps. For the first step, you need to visit the eBay website. Second step, you need to take a screenshot of the eBay homepage. This can be easily done on your phone or computer. For the third step, you need to find the daily deals option on eBay and take a screenshot. This can be done easily. And the fourth step, search for this specific product and take a screenshot. Lastly, look for eBay's customer service portal and take a screenshot. Now that is an example of what you need to do to successfully test a website. After you have done all of that and submitted a proof, you can now get paid. As easy as that. And it only took you 5 to 10 minutes. Depending on the projects that you receive, you may receive a variety of different instructions. They are interested in seeing if you can navigate your way around a website by browsing around. They are interested in ensuring that the customer experience is enhanced by ensuring that the people who lead on the website are able to navigate their way around and eventually successfully find daily deals. You may be assigned to a variety of projects and be expected to participate in a variety of app testing and websites, all of which are actually extremely fascinating, new, unique, and entertaining concepts in their own right. And that is how you make PayPal money using betatesting.com. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.